Alright guys, so I got a pretty good video coming for y'all. This day was one of those days that you'd pay for this day. Within just a couple hours, we had probably caught 50 bass. It was insane. Almost every cast we're catching a bass. Now these aren't giants. This is part of the waterways that's connected to the Sabine. So like a 3-pounder out here is a monster, and like a 5-pounder is an absolute giant. That's a behemoth out there. They're just not that big a fish. But they are river fish and they fight really hard. But what makes this waterways unique is that we're very close to the coast, so we're affected by the tides, and we went through a drought for a little bit this year, so the end of last year. So what happened is a lot of salt pushed up into the rivers and bayous, causing a lot of shrimp to come in. That shrimp came a lot of other fish following. So you could just catch all kinds of crazy stuff in one spot, and we were out there originally to catch crappie. So we're out there using ultralights. This is when I first got a BFS set up. I'm using a Amazon setup, an Amazon combo. This was the Rosewood BFS 2-piece. I'll put a link to everything in the description. With the Cast King Zephyr, that was my first combo. Now I'm rocking a couple different ones. I gave that combo to my uncle. He went and caught white bass today and broke it. I'm not saying it's a bad combo. What you'll notice in this video is the rod I was using, it didn't have enough backbone to set the hook. No matter what, this video is epic. We're slamming fish. Danny catches some crazy stuff. Danny was catching some weird stuff. You'll have to see what he catches. He's using a ultralight, but it's a spinning rod. And after this day, after he saw how much fun I was having with the BFS rod, that's when he went and got a BFS setup. Now we're all rocking a BFS setup. Now we're in the kayaks. Of course, I'm taking the Kaku Zulu. He's in my pescador. Now, I want y'all to notice something in the Kaku Zulu. I'm standing in the seat 90% of the time. This is how I normally fish out of it. I just had leg surgery, so the last couple videos I've been dealing with some knee problems. I haven't been standing in my seat. On a normal day, I'm standing in the seat of that kayak. You're way higher than a normal kayak. I want y'all to notice how much higher I am than Danny. That's why I ended up catching more bass than he did. I was able to just scan, see the little blow-ups, and throw it right on top of their heads. Because I'm 6 foot higher in the air. I mean, there's a huge difference when you're that high up. So check it out. And of course, I'm running the trolling motor, Amazon trolling motor. Everything's from Amazon. I'm a cheap fool. But I'll throw a link to that as well. And the next video I have will be about the Kaku Zulu. Stay tuned to the end of this video to find out how you can win your own Cajun Labs live well, which is a BCAA and EAA supplement formulated for more of like the outdoorsman. So you could use this as a replacement to a sports drink. So it's got your electrolytes in there, got your amino acids in there, it's got your EAAs. So it's something you could use to replace a sugary drink out there on the water. You can use this in the gym, you can use it in the field, any way you like. Stay tuned to the end of the video to see how you can win one of these for free. So this is where I came yesterday, and I caught some crappie over here. Try and do it again today. Oh, right here, right here. How, Danny?
I thought I actually did. Oh, he's on it! He's on it! Oh, shit, I got this! No, get up.
Be light, be light. Remember, it's a crappie probably.
Oh, it's a sheep's head!
It's a sheep's head!
It's a sheep's head!
Sweet!
Oh my God, it's a good sheep's head!
Sweet! Don't panic. Get that thing. Thought Danny was hung up. Nope, it's a good sheep head.
It was hung up.
He wrapped around it.
I thought it was.
Heck yeah!
Oh my God, no way!
Get that thing in here. Do you need a net?
I probably no, I don't need it.
I saw him eat it. Ah.
The crappie hook. I saw him swim by and he smoked it. I'm gonna throw on the voodoo shrimp just so it's a bigger hook. Yeah, I'm switching to the voodoo to have a slightly bigger hook for the bass. Because these may be bass. I missed two right here. I thought one was a crappie. Crappie, good one. Good crappie. Oh yeah, that might be 10. That's probably 10. It's 10. That is one thing I do like about this. I can be right up on fish and not spook them. Good cast, my man.
It was wrapping there.
Yeah, cast in the middle of them, just let it sink a little. Pretty deep in there. Yeah, we're in 7 foot of water. Look, look, look. Bass schooling up shrimp out there in the middle. But it's not like they usually are. They're normally so aggressive. Now Danny hasn't noticed what I see.
That was quick. Get out of there.
You get out of here, Danny.
I'm stealing a fish.
These are my fishes.
Oh, I missed him. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, I missed him.
Good one on the BFS rod. Oh, God damn it. I missed them too because I got little baby hooks. That's the only bad thing about these BFS setups. Tiny hooks on most things. I'm actually going to switch to something different. I know what I'm going to throw. The Yozuri jerkbait that's got big hooks on it.
Oh, the giant!
That is not a giant. Not even close to a giant, Danny. No. Giant, we're talking over 3 pounds. That's 1.5 pounds, Danny.
I'll take it, giant.
That's a solid bass. Solid, not giant. Right in front of you. My bait's actually tangled up. Absolute chaos. I just caught this little redfish. He caught that bass. I ran him over on accident. Woo.
Guess what, y'all? Bye, y'all. Saw some voodoo shrimps. That's a big bass. Bigger bass.
That's bigger than the last one.
Eat it. Put it in there.
Ooh, look at the fishes.
Eat it.
All right, we gotta back up a little bit.
Yeah.
What the heck did I just catch? Those angry spotted bass. What's over here? Woo! Little bass. That bass was this big. How it even ate it, I don't know. They hit so hard for how little they are. They're tiny, tiny. There's a fish. This may be a red. No, it's a bass. Huh? What? Yeah. There we go. Nice solid bass on the BFS rod. I had to throw the voodoo on. I couldn't let you keep catching them. I said I had to throw the voodoo on. I couldn't let you keep catching them.
Oh, it's a truck. It's a goo.
It's a goo. I've been catching so many of those lately. No, even that size too, right here by the bridge. Yep, that's a bass. Look at that little dude fight. This little dude got a bad attitude. He was angry. Ow, he actually bit me. We doubled up.
Look how little this one is.
That hook was in there. He wasn't coming off. Oh, I have no clue how many fish we've caught. I just missed another one. But that was like ding, 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 little baby. Guy yesterday caught specks out here. He was further down. Oh, that's a red. Oh, no, it's not. He just ran. Sweet. Shit. Oh, I got it. Oh, I missed it. Got him. Yes. Yes. Danny's fish. This is a good fish. This is a better fish because it's Danny's fish. Not because it's a big fish, but because it's Danny. I literally watched him come back up and eat mine. It wouldn't be a good fish if it wasn't your fish. God. We're gonna run and drag. He's pulling drag. You gotta get a BFS rod. Imagine the crappie rod, but just a bait caster. That's a fat one. He ain't long at all. Look how fat that little one is. It's got shrimp. Look, the antennas are hanging out of its gills. Yeah, they're over here now. Oh. Oh. That's a solid bass, man. Solid bass. You know, he flew in the air. He flew out the water to eat that. He was barely hooked too. Pressure was all he was on there.
Double.
Heck yeah, doubled up.
Ow! That got me in the face.
Right there, Danny, behind you. Yeah, he ate it on top. I wasn't even looking. Doubled up. Sweet. Mystery fish. What is it? Red? That's probably another 17, 18 incher. On the crappie rod. But that's freaking awesome. Reds, sheep's head, bass, same spot. Yeah, I wasn't planning on this.
I wasn't planning on getting a keeper. That's a good stringer. That's a good one.
One random ass crappie.
Yeah, wait, I gotta take a picture of that.
Let me give it a little bit more slack. Look at that with the crappie.
Yeah. One random freaking crappie in from a sheep's head and a red belt.
To a crappie. God.
I look like you're not moving anywhere.
I'm moving. This is a big fish. No clue what it is.
Not moving. Stuck?
Nope. It's a catfish spinning in a circle.
I was like, dude, you're moving towards the fish. You're not stuck on a wall.
I wonder why it was doing that too. I was like, why is it spinning? He was wrapped up in the string, spinning in a circle. So the stringer, the freshwater stuff is mine. The saltwater stuff Danny caught? Isn't that funny because you fish saltwater more?
Just saltwater. In a freshwater environment, I'm catching saltwater.
I know. I can't get away from the freshwater.
I know we haven't fished that other.
No, we ain't even made it there yet.
All our action is footage.
No, it's already been a killer day. Whoa, yeah. He's trying to... Oh, that's a red. That's a red. I see him. Little red. He's a little red. BFS red. Second one I caught. I caught a little one, remember? But this one's big enough that he's fighting. Cast out there, yeah. Like the edge of this ledge, like right in front of me, towards that house. Sweet. Look at that. Another solid one. Another solid fish caught on the BFS with the micro voodoo. It's so much fun though, ain't it? Now you see why the BFS. I haven't even picked up that medium light. I haven't caught one of these in a while. A warmouth. No. Jet.
At least more than 2 dozen.
No. I think we've caught 20 a piece or 2 dozen a piece. Yeah.
We caught a lot of fish today. I will say I caught the biggest.
I think the biggest is the sheephead, weight wise.
Oh, 100% weight wise, probably the sheephead.
I think the sheephead is the biggest fish.
I got weight and length. Well, I think that's noted if I'm going to come back down here again. Buy more voodoo shrimps. Let me check the time. I looked at my phone.
What time is it?
11 or 10:40.
No, it's 11:40.
I just realized that.
Yeah. No, you spilled my Red Bull, you fucker.
If you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe. Got a lot of stuff coming up, so including a giveaway. So we got a giveaway from Cajun Labs out of Louisiana. This is the Live Well Hydration Replenish. It's a BCAA and EAA combo. So this has your electrolytes in it, plus your essential amino acids and your branched chain amino acids. Help you break down protein, and those essential amino acids help you get through the day. So this will be giving away real soon. So to enter the giveaway, what you have to do, all you have to do is subscribe, screenshot that you're a subscriber, and send that to my Instagram. So my Instagram is the same as my YouTube channel. It's extraordinaryfishing_YT. YouTube. So extraordinaryfishing_YT. Links to everything will be down below. I'll also throw a link to Cajun Labs so you can check them out. They have some pretty cool products. They're trying to bridge that gap between fitness and outdoors. So this is the first step in that direction. Really cool to see stuff like this. So check them out.